The 14th edition of the Swazi Bank Cup has been officially launched under the slogan #Yelele. The 14th edition of the Cup has a sponsorship worth 2.4 million emalangeni. The launch of the Swazi Bank Cup was held at Summerfield in Nokwane.
For the 14th time since its inception, Swazi Bank Cup has been launched with a worth of 2.4 million emalangeni under the slogan #Yelele. The well-known local tournament is attended by 32 local clubs, with the champions getting the advantage of representing the nation in the CAF Confederation Cup. The launch was held at Summerfield at Nokwane, with all sports officials coming to the gathering in their numbers. The managing director of the Swazi Bank, Yelele, says the tournament is here and it's all for the teams and the fans.
We are hopeful that this will be another successful tournament as we have done over the years. We know that Swazi Bank Cup has been a success. It has brought in a lot of supporters to soccer. It has also brought in a lot of supporters to the bank. So we will continue as a bank to pray that supporters come in and enjoy football.
Speaking on behalf of National Football Association was the Chief Executive Officer Frederick Mgometuru, who thanked the bank for sponsorship once again.
As a football association, we are so happy to be in this partnership. You've already put it across, Barundi, that this is the final year of the agreement that we entered into in 2015. But I must hasten to mention that you are not going anywhere, not by any chance.
Following the launch of the tournament, the event was followed by the draw of the two teams. The defending champions Bavani Swallows will play Lutzeluze Brothers Football Club. Manzini Wanderers will play 19 Celtics FC, while Royal Leopards will play Amalanda FC. Manzini Sundowns will play Tinyosi Football Club. Some of the strongest tie will see First Division Matsapa United facing Bavane Citizen, while Moneni Pirates will play National First Division side Bad Boys. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonera, John Molelken, Summerfield Nokwane.